Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually, I should welcome myself back because I have not been uploading. I haven't uploaded a video, I think, I know it's been a few months, but I'm super excited to be back, and today I am filming for you guys a thrift flip. I've been going to a thrift store, and recently I found this amazing IKEA chair and a few other things, and I want to flip them and show you guys how I'm going to flip these things. And if you want to see what I'm about to do, then let's go. For the first thrift flip that I want to do is, first let me show you. So I got this miscellaneous wood box from the thrift store for $3.99, and I need a planter for either this this plant, or I can use it for this baby. So we're gonna start off by sanding the entire thing down. Let's go. Okay, so I just finished sanding the box. I went to Dollar Tree. They have little sand sponges. These work amazing. So this is what it looks like. And I'm thinking of this satin. Oh, is this satin? Shell white. It's a shell white color. And I'm going to spray paint the entire outside of this with this color, and I'll be back. Okay, so I have spray painted every side of the box. So we're gonna let this sit and dry, and I'm going to show you how I cut the legs for this. Okay guys, so while the box is drying from the spray paint, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to do the stand for the planter. I bought this 1-inch, can you see it? This 1-inch dowel from Michael's, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna measure about 7 inches. Cut 7-inch legs. So I'll cut 4 because I'm going to put one on each end of the box. So let's do it. And I will be using the E600 glue to stick them on there. And also I'm going to actually, I don't want to paint these white. So I have this wood finish stain that I'm going to paint them with. Okay guys, so I'm just using the special walnut wood stain, and we're gonna go ahead and stain just using a paper napkin and wiping it on there. Okay guys, so I have the 4 legs cut that I'm going to use as a stand for my planter. So we're going to go ahead, I have it here. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. Now I'm going to be using the E600 to stick them on there. Okay guys, so I have the legs on here, and now what I'm going to do is use the nautical rope that I bought from Dollar Tree, which is this one. And I'm going to wrap this around the base of the planter and hot glue the pieces on there and wrap it around the bottom of the base. So let me do that and I'll show you the finished product. Okay guys, so it's actually been a few days later, but I'm going to show you how I flip this chair, which I got for $6.99. I'm going to go show you the entire process of me flipping it, and I bought this soft velvety fabric and show you the entire process of me flipping it and making it this beautiful velvety chair. So let's go. Off the cover, and it's actually Velcro at the bottom. Okay guys, so I just got the cover off. So happy I took that ugly thing off and that it was super easy to take off. Now, this is what it looks like. Okay, now that I have the chair cover removed, I'm going through and removing the legs so I can get them sanded and stained. The legs sanded down, I'm going to grab my stain, dip it in. Okay guys, so while the back legs are drying, I thought I should go ahead and take this white cover off, but now that I like sliced it open, I'm starting to think that that's not a good idea. So I'm actually just going to staple this back and leave it as is, and I'm going to measure my fabric. So that's what we're going to do, is staple this back, and then once I staple this, I'll be back to show you how I measure the fabric. Okay guys, so I went through and I stapled the cover back together. So as you can see, I already cut the fabric out. I just laid it out flat, and then I went around and cut enough so that it would cover up on top of the Velcro. And I'm gonna go through and staple it all around. That took me some time, but I'm back and all the sides are complete, stapled, and the cushion is done. Okay, so for the back side, I'm also going to measure the fabric and get it stapled. Okay guys, so I have the back piece here. And my thinking behind this is to start off by just stapling the side in all the way up and down. Got the sides completely stapled, so we're gonna fold this over, and I'm thinking of, let's see, folding this in. Okay, so I'm sitting here thinking, and me stapling the outside of this as well is not gonna look very nice. So I went and bought these nails. They're silver with a really nice end, and I'm thinking that I'm actually going to nail them down across the side of the chair. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed these thrift flips. I really had so much fun doing them, even though it took me some time, but I think that I may have found my new hobby. So stay tuned for more of these videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!